Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So it's been long time that I haven't recorded any video due to lot of office work, and sorry for that. I could not even post my analysis as well. So at least I would try and see that I could post my levels on the trading view, and if I get enough time then I would also post the videos. Okay, so without wasting time, let us continue and see the intraday levels and analysis for tomorrow, that is 6th of December. So let us see the levels. At the bottom we have a strongest support at 35,500. Next strong support is at 36,000. We have a small or good support at 35,800, and we have a strong resistance of 36,500. At the top, 37,000 is the strongest resistance. Okay. Next, what I have marked is strong resistance zone between 36,700 to 800. And what we can see is market has faced a resistance at these two particular points, right? And when it came down and tried to bounce back, but 36,700 level was the next resistance level it was facing, and we saw again a sharp selling from this particular point. Okay, so this is it regarding the levels, and we can consider this as no trading zone between 36,000 110 or 100 level in round figures till 36,250 or 255. So as per usual, trading, how to take the trade based on market opening. So if market opens above this particular level, 36,255, okay, then do not enter into a trade immediately. Let it cross 36,300. This is where I have plot or beginning of the arrow, 36,300. Then we can see a 200 point movement, and it may face the resistance of 36,500 level as well over here. Okay, and if this level is broken, or if market is holding close to this particular level, then there are more chances that this level is broken and we can see an upward movement as well. But at the top we have a very strong resistance zone and resistance level as well, so we can see again a downfall. If market opens flat in this particular zone, do not enter into the trade. Let it show a positive or negative sign, then enter into the trade. Okay, likewise, if we see, if market opens flat and comes down to this particular level, and if you see a positive candle, then enter into the buying side trade. Okay, and last one is, if we see a gap down opening below this particular level, then we can see market taking support of 36,000 level, and it may bounce back. If this level is broken, then next level would be 35,800 levels, and we can see a bounce back as well. I have made a small mistake in this diagram. Let me correct it quickly. Okay, and if 36,800 is broken, then we can see a good downfall up to 35,500. Why? Because if you see at the previous levels, if this level is broken, okay, we can see a good downfall as well. So this was it regarding Bank Nifty intraday levels and analysis. From the learning point of view, let me show you something. This is a 2 hours time frame, okay, and considering the price action pattern or price action trading, which consists of formation of higher highs and higher lows. Same ways in a downtrend it forms lower highs and lower lows. So still what I feel, market is in downtrend. The downtrend is not ended, or market has not reversed up. Okay, so this is a 2 hour time frame, and let me convert this chart using a Heiken-Ashi candlestick, so you can clearly identify this particular thing. Okay, so we can see even a small head and shoulder type pattern which was formed over here. If we see, starting from this particular levels, okay, the left head left, I'm sorry, it's not the left head, it's the left shoulder, head, right head. Okay, it came down to this particular level, neck level. Okay, and we saw a further breakdown. It was a good breakdown. Or even if you consider at this particular point as a neck level, then when market broke this neck level, it retested and it continued its downward movement. So in order to consider a reversal or an uptrend, it should break its previous lower high. Okay, what I mean to say is, if market wants to move ahead, or it want it if it is showing a bullish momentum, it should close above this lower high and it should form at least two higher lows. So from here we can clearly see market tried to break its previous lower high, but it could not break, or we can say could not sustain, as the level was 36,800 we saw, and again a sharp downfall was seen. So until and unless 36,800 level is broken, so we should make sure that this is broken on a higher time frame, right? 36,000 level is broken and the candle is closed above this particular thing, forming higher lows, then we can say it is a reversal of a particular trend. But still I see a downfall. So tomorrow what can happen? Market can try to break this level, or it can go to this level as well. We can see another uh, rise in the trend, and it may continue its downtrend. So what I feel, so downtrend can be up to 34,500, because if we look at the previous month's analysis, so this particular section is complete a sideways. Okay, what I am showing using my cursor. So when it gave a breakout at this particular level, that is 36,200 level, then market went up. So same would be the case. Market can come down up to 34,500. It can go in sideways and then continue to move upwards. This is what I feel. So based on the analysis, take your decisions. Do not hurry in taking the trade, and always take the trade with the stop loss. So I hope you like my analysis. Please share it with your friends and keep supporting by subscribing to the channel and sharing with your friends as well. Thank you.